Hello, that is little rascals. Today we're gonna unbox this Live Beam 3 by JBL. Or I have unboxed it earlier and used it quite a bit, but today I'm gonna tell you something about it. So the package comes with instructions and this little loading cord or something like that. That's not interesting. Nor RT, so not gonna focus on those. Let's take them off my hands. And here are some extra silicone adapters for different sized ears, so where you can choose from. Don't remember what I'm using, but I think large is my. The case itself has its own interface. So you can unlock it. You can change tunes or paragraph from a book or something like that. The volume control, active noise cancelling, ambient sound, and talk through if you have this feature on. And equalizer, it has its own JBL signature presettings, but you can add more from the application in your smartphone. And then there's this screen brightness from the case itself. You can even change the lock screen wallpaper if you want. And then there's this auto play pause feature. If you take the earphone off the ear, it just stops playing, and when you put it back, it starts again, so it's quite handy. And time controls, and to find my buds. If you lose them in the couch or something like that, you can just press it and it gives you a loud noise, so you can find your headphones. And that's about it. Then the buds themselves, they are quite stylish, I think. They come with different color. I bought these ones. Don't know why, but they are quite good. They have this tapping control. One tap is play pause. 2 taps, one song forward, and 3 taps, one song back. Works quite well. Only thing I don't like about this design or whatever is that they don't always stay in the ear, or you have to be very careful how you put them, because if you don't get them in the right angle, they will fall. I tested these mainly at work and at gym, so they've been tested in a different angles and a different kind of movements. But when you get them right, they are staying. But if you don't focus on when you put them on, they might fall. That can be my personal problem, I don't know. I have only 2 sets of ears, so haven't tested them in anyone else's ears, but the sound is good. I like it, and you can change the sound from the equalizer, and the call quality is quite good. These have like 6 microphones, so the other end is hearing everything you're saying quite well, and the wind doesn't affect them so much, so that's a good feature as well. Overall, I give them 8 out of 10, I think. yeah, give them a try. So, bye.